The sum of three numbers is 12. Each number is increased by 10 and the new numbers are multiplied by 10. What is the sum of the resulting numbers? So first, what we have? We have to read first sentence. The sum of three numbers is 12. So we have three numbers. Let's choose that first number is x. First number. Y will be second number. And z will be third number. What next we have? The sum of three numbers is 12. Sum. So we have x plus y plus z is equal 12. We have first equation. What else? Each number is increased by 10. So first number is x. We increase this number by 10. So we have x plus 10. Each number is increased by 10. So the same we have to do with the second number and with the third number. What next? And the new numbers are multiplied by 10. So first number we multiply by 10. Second number we multiply by 10. And third we multiply by 10. What is the sum of the resulting numbers? So we have to find the sum of these three numbers. So we have x plus 10 times 10 plus y plus 10 times 10, and we have plus z plus 10 times 10. This is equal. We have to calculate. So this is equal. What we will do first, because we have given only that x plus y plus z is equal 12, first we will do multiplication. We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by 10. So we have x times 10 is 10x. 10 times 10 is 100 plus y times 10 is 10y. 10 times 10 is 100 plus, and again z times 10 is 10z plus 10 times 10 is 100. So this is equal. What next we can do? We have 10x plus 10y plus 10z, and 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 300. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. So this is equal. From these three expressions we can factorize 10. So it will be 10 times x plus y plus z, and we have to add 300. So this is equal. What x? 10 we copy, and in parentheses we have x plus y plus z. And we have given that x plus y plus z is equal 12. So this expression in parentheses we can substitute by 12. This was given. So we have 10 times 12, and we have to add 300. So this is equal. 10 times 12 is 120, and we have plus 300. So this is equal 420. This is my solution.